Beer, soca. Them still come, them get intimidated. Niggers. Hi, I'm a nigger. Hey y'all. So I'm going to the beach. I'm supposed to be at the gym, but gym trainer, if you're seeing this, hey.
Everybody make cake food out file.
Hey. Yeah, anyways, so friend's birthday and him just decided last minute to say he wanna go lanky, so I'm ready. So this is the fit. Got the green do-rag and the green fit. I'm gonna just wear my bridges because you know, can't wear them. Hydro Boost. That is you? Oh, pack up my belongings. Maybe. Well, I know, man, you see, enough things are going on. We're in a rosy hole. Rosie she.
Be a good girl in a Rosie. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Don't stalk them. Oh, you forgot to say it's your girl. It's your girl.
Oh God, start over.
We'll start over. Cause remember say back to class today and we don't really understand what's going on. Why some of us my father? Hey seashells! It's Shelby! No, that's how you know we're real. We do the intro feel. What's up, seashells? It's your girl, Shelby and Lee and Gabby and Carrie. Hi.
And company.
Jesus. No company. We don't know them.
Emotional damage.
Come here. Hi. What's your name?
I scared the dog and him Rufus. They need to use the inside voices.
Oh no, I don't know what that is.
Oh, she doesn't have that.
I don't have that. How long have you been friends with me?
How long now?
Have you ever heard my inside voice?
I've heard it this way, ladies. Come video the trek to the boat.
Yes, so we're on our way.
We're about to board.
Anyways, that's why people don't like me, you know, and people think I'm bitchy. But that's fine. We don't give a fuck. Ain't nothing wrong with that, girl.
No, when the bottom black up on her then. Cause she a complain already and we leave her.
Are you our captain for the day?
Yes. Hey Cap, how are you?
Okay, so we're going to
all slippers.
Remove all
wait,
slippers
what?
right here.
Yes.
Okay.
Run your wrist.
No shoes on the boat.
Oh, just kill man.
Okay, so this is the boat. This is the little inside area.
This is Gabby on the boat.
We are just getting ready to. Yeah. It is Kivel's birthday. Don't say the birthday boy anywhere near. Those are the guys. Anyways, the dally them just dally dong. Queenie!
Queen wave. Queen wave.
Yo, send help. Help. No, I understand why people have AC for them boats. I wanna shake my ass on a yacht in Dubai in a fall. Guys, it's hot enough. The sun is beating me, bro.
Nothing at all.
I'm Gucci, I'm a shirt for groovy. I'm a bitch that Gucci, I'm a lifestyle movie.
Run that back, turbo.
Beer, soca. because them still come, them get intimidated.
Niggers.
Hi, I'm a nigger. Them when I find a rifle, no man.
No, I don't think that. Back of the class, man, on a subject. Girl, nah, be my one rough sex. She pop the money, yeah, but you no junk yet. She have to come now, that make she get upset.
Can you do something for me? 21! Do your thing! Hey, do your thing! 21, do your thing! So, them one and a find a rifle, yeah. Yeah.
Level 6, turn around. Oh my God, you say that.
God.
Joe Grandma talk to you, man. Subscribe to that. Believe.
No.
Alright.
Shut up, man. No. I'm a dragon.
What's the name? You blow through the permission.
What enough?
One at a time there. It is now sunset. It was a great day, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Great day. See the dolly with ya. Wait, Kibble? We need to wish him a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kibble.
Happy birthday, lots of love.
Thank you for bringing me out.
Yeah, it was lit.
I'm glad I come out of the city.
Anyways, as you can see the dolly there. I just have to go catch a seat right now because
R.I.P. to my wig.
I can't come on, man.
Yeah, me feel like OG. I'll be dancing. Every night you get my tennis, then you really dancing.
Good morning from me and the wigs. Child, I'm finishing to put my maid because I'm not gonna lie, I've been feeling slightly ugly recently. Yeah, I don't feel very cute with this bald head right now. I've been trying to embrace it, but yeah, nope, not grow back how I want it to yet. So I am just not really feeling it. Finally up. Well, I've been up from probably 7 this morning. It's the next day. Yesterday was the beach day. It was amazing. It was so fun. I've never been to Maiden Cay before. That was my first time and I loved it. I was drunk and I had a blast. I wasn't overly drunk, but it was just like really nice because I was pacing myself. I was drinking my water and I did not OD because I was not trying to do all that. I didn't do any makeup. I never did the dolly down settings because I wanted to have fun. I didn't want to think about my makeup sweating off or just think about, oh, I'm gonna get a nice picture. I would have liked a picture though, I'm not gonna lie. Didn't get that because I was too busy having fun. So that's that. Today I'm going to Tootsie's, but not for me. I'm taking my boyfriend to get a pedicure because why not? And then I have a video to do with Chad, so I'm gonna go by him after. I'm thinking about what kind of video I'd want to do as well because, you know, I want some content for December because November soon done and I'm probably not even gonna see this till December. So I'm trying to think of ideas for a video. I think he said Sing is going to be there too, and Tanya. I'm trying to think what kind of video. I was thinking of a bop or flop, but I don't know yet. I'm gonna write down some more questions for that time. If it works out, it works out. If not, yeah, that's the plan for today. I'm going to find another wig to put on because that one is dead. So yeah, bathe already, so I'm just going to try to find an outfit and then we're out of here. All right, so this is the wig I went with for today. Kind of hurry up and did a little 1-2 with the flat iron. Not loving the lace, but you know, it is what it is. And I'm going to be using my Fruity Magnolia Dossier scent. This is the dupe for Versace's Bright Crystal. I don't wear it a lot and I'm trying to figure out why.
I don't wear it a lot because it's a really nice scent. I'll figure it out. Who's checking and can't make the school upset? No, don't sit. Back at the class, man, I'm a subject. Nah, be my one rough sex. She put the money on and she no junkie. Alright.
Yo, I don't know why it's from TikTok, bro, but it's been stuck in my head, bro.
You know, so we've seen the Brazil dancing.
It's so stupid. I'm so tired of seeing
And
it.
it's the same song, same dance, it's just a different group of people.
See you guys next time. Peace.
So who spell is esophagus right?
Mark.
Proud of him. I teach him well. No, he was in here when I was spelling it. That bitch. He spell it right. So I'm the only winner. Huh.
Did Tanya spell it right?
No. No.
Did Neil spell it right?
No, him starts with A.
Good. Like me, like a bird sing.
Reigning champ.
No man.
If you got this since the guy get you, don't leave me around your man. Good morning. Don't know what day it is. I think it's Tuesday. December starts this week. So you know what that means. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. I don't know. I feel the Christmas spirit this year. Anyways, I am going to go to have a package to pick up, so me and Lee are gonna go on the road to pick that up. I'm waiting for her to come and get me so we can go there, and then when we come back I'm gonna go to the gym and make her go to the gym with me since she never wants to leave my side. Up her, up on my back, up her. Anyways, I'm just waiting on her. I'm going to brush my teeth. I just slapped on back this week. One thing about me, I'm gonna slap a wig on my head and don't care to like flat iron it and fix it on Sunday. So I see him, so you see me now. That's how I'm going on the road. I'm gonna brush my teeth and I will pick you guys back up when I get into the vehicle. Okay. Really sure what day it is or how many days it's been since the last time I picked up the camera. I think the last thing I said was that I was going to go and pick up a package. I picked up that package. The package is here, and I already did the video for it. I think that's why I completely forgot to pick you guys up. Look up the funny for a sec. Look up. I think that's why I forgot to pick you guys up, because I had a dedicated video to do for that package, so I did a haul. But yeah, my dad came to Kingston today and he spent some time with me, and I remember when I just shaved off my head, I sent him a picture and he was like, Jesus. And then probably like last week I sent him an update, but he hasn't seen me in person since I did it. So he saw me today and he was like, wow, your hair's growing back really nicely. And then he was like, but I never know if I say your hair good. The man disrespectful. I look just like you now.
I don't know how this hair comes over.
What do you mean? What are you trying to say?
I never used to look as good as this,
You've never seen me bald.
I guess.
The man is disrespectful. My 1/8 of Indian, he says it's starting to show. I never know that's my ear good. I'm like, you also have never seen me bald. You know? You know? Anyways, I am trying to embrace the bald head, and I am really trying to train it to lay flat so I don't have to relax it. But if it grows more and I realize it's still not slicking the way I want it to, I'm going to relax it. or I'm going to bleach it again. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I am not afraid to do this process all over again. Now that I know it only takes a month for my hair to grow back. Woo, child. I got my graduation pictures yesterday. I don't remember which day actually. I gave my dad the big one already, so this is what I have left. It looks so pretty. Why don't I look like that now? That's not me. Of course it is. I only have that and these left, so I'm going to keep these top two. I'm gonna give my boyfriend this one, and the rest of my friends can get those little ones. Yeah, that's really it for the pictures. Tomorrow is December 1st, and honestly, I need to get my priorities straight. I really need to get my priorities straight, because I did a poll the other day on Instagram where I asked if you guys prefer my vlogs or my sit-down videos. I kid you not, people will DM me and say, when are we getting another vlog? When are we getting another vlog? When are we getting another vlog? And when I post a vlog, the numbers don't add up. So it's like, do y'all want the vlogs or don't you want the vlogs? Because I don't think y'all like them very much, and I think you like my sit-down videos more. Because when I do sit-down videos or when I chat enough, you guys engage a whole lot more. I see so much more engagement. So I'm just kind of confused, because I still love doing vlogs, but sometimes I get really demotivated, especially if you guys ask for 40-minute or an hour-long vlog. That last vlog that I posted was 40 minutes. I don't think I've ever done a vlog that long. I'm telling myself, say, I'm gonna do a video at least 40 minutes to an hour long, and I did it, and I don't think it's performing as well as I wanted it to. I think it's okay, but not as well as I would have liked, and it kind of demotivated me. I think that's why I haven't been very structured with this vlog. That's why I never even bother. Well, honestly, I kind of forgot to pick up the camera when I went to pick up the packages, but I kind of think that's why I'm demotivated a little bit. But I will not let that discourage me. I'm still gonna post my vlogs because I like filming them and I like editing them. And from here on out, the vlogs, I'm going to try to edit them a little more different. I don't know how yet, but I kind of want to experiment with different editing styles and just put some more effort. Even though it's my laptop really that's holding me back, I'm still gonna try. As I said, tomorrow is December 1st. As I say, yeah, I need to get my priorities straight. I have been slacking off as it relates to the gym. This month, I waste my money. I completely waste my money. I've been to the gym this month, don't get me wrong. Last month, I gained weight, and then I lost weight when I didn't go for 2 weeks. And then I went back again, and I gained back some weight. I know all I gone by now, because for the past 2 weeks or so, I haven't been eating. I'm just gonna straight up say it. I have not been eating because I have no appetite, and PMS was kicking my ass. And I think I have something. I don't think it's just regular PMS anymore. It got to a point where I just wanted to kick the bucket. I just wanted to just not be here. That's how bad it is right now. It took 49 days for my period to come back, and I'm not understanding why. I don't know if it's the vaccine that I took. I don't know if it's the side effects of that that's messing me up right now, or what. And it can't just be stressed, because a long time is stressed out, a years me stressed out, and stress never yet do that. My period is to come every 28 days, and if it don't come 28 days, the latest it's gonna come is every 31 days. It no normally past that. And since this year, it has been completely out of whack, and it is fucking with my brain cells. God no. I am trying to get my life together, and in that package that I got the other day, I got a planner. So this is what the planner looks like, and I was trying to start digital planning on my iPad, but I cannot bring my iPad everywhere, and for some reason I think I work better when I write things down. So tonight I'm going to write some things down in my planner, and I'm going to continue doing this because I really need to get myself in check. I really need to be more organized. I need to have more focus, have more discipline. I really need that for myself. So I am hoping that this planner will get me in order and I have discipline and I follow through with it. I am making a change. As of tomorrow I will be eating at least 2 meals. I was gonna say 3, but I have to start small. I'm gonna have at least 2 meals and snack in between and work my way up. I have a goal. I have a weight goal I want to meet by the end of the year. Oh god, I must can meet it. I must can meet a weight goal there. Oh god, if I don't meet it, I'll be real sad, but I will try. If I try and I don't meet it, that's one thing, but if I don't try and I don't meet it, I'm gonna be in tears because it's like, I know I should have done this, I know I should have done that, blah 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 blah. Yeah, I'm still gonna continue doing my weekly vlogs. I remember one time in a vlog I did tell you guys I don't really want to do vlogs anymore, but the thing is I don't want to do only vlogs. I like vlogs, but I don't want to do only that. I want other things on my channel. So this month I'm going to try to introduce some new things. I'm gonna try. I don't know how successful I will be, but trying is the option. It's the only option. So that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, I'm going to go write in my planner and see what I can get done for December. Let's see how I can make some type of change before the new year, because yeah, change is necessary, and you have to, it takes 21 days to make or break a habit. I think that's how it goes. So I am willing to see what I can do. So yeah. It is the next day. It's currently 2:56 and I am just eating my first meal for the day because I was up editing all morning, to be very honest. I want to post this video today. I don't think that's gonna happen. I have another video that I could post today that I wanted to post today, but I didn't get paid for it yet, and I don't know if I really want to post that knowing that I didn't get paid for it yet. That's gonna irritate me. So then something else kind of just threw me off and I don't really feel like eating, to be honest, but I got some Wendy's. It is loaded fries, so that's going to be my first meal, and after I finish it I'm going to make my protein shake, and then I'm gonna have a snack, and then I'm gonna have my dinner. I think that's all I can do today. I can't have the protein shake twice today, but I'm trying to have at least my 2 meals, you know, so it's better than nothing. So yeah, I'm going to eat and edit some more. Honestly, I feel like I just post a video because I know I'm gonna get paid for it, so I honestly just feel like post a video and call it a day. I don't know, I'm not doing Vlogmas, or at least not the traditional 25 days straight of videos, so let's get that straight. I am not doing that. But yeah, remember, go eat and then I'll come back and explain. Oh no, I'm back. What's popping? I think I said in the last clip that I was gonna address if I was gonna do Vlogmas or not. I don't even remember what I said. Oh, I'm hungry. I told me just wax off that, and I felt like I was going to fall asleep. I'm just editing the last bit of this vlog because after this clip, this is where I'm gonna end it and start a new vlog. So Vlogmas, I am not doing the traditional 25 days of Vlogmas. I was actually gonna keep this a secret until further in the month, but I will be doing 12 days of Shellmas. So if you know, I attempted to do it last year it never worked out. The views were horrible. I was demotivated and I was unprepared. I decided that I wanted to do that literally probably on the first day when I did it, instead of planning ahead. This time for 12 days of Shellmas, I've been planning this from November, and I think it's going to be a lot more organized this year. I already have some videos out the way already, and I just hope everything goes well. I'm trying to do it in a specific order though, and the first video that I want to drop is not filmed yet because I kind of need some help. So I just hope everything is on track. Today is already the 1st, and I need to start putting out my first Shellmas video on the 12th. So that doesn't mean that I'm not going to post from the 1st until the 12th. This look clean. I will be posting from now until the 12th, not every day, just my regular uploads. But on the 12th, expect a video from the 12th straight back to the 25th, 26th. How much ever is 12 days? You know 12 days of Christmas, 12 days of Shellmas. Yeah. So that's what your girl gonna be doing or whatever. I told y'all I was feeling the Christmas spirit. Yeah, more feel it this year. You understand? So if you have any Christmas videos or just Vlogmas video suggestions, it doesn't have to be Christmas themed, because I'm not doing 12 Christmas themed videos. Sorry, I'm not doing that. I'm not feeling that festive. So yeah, the cat's out the bag. You heard it here first. My nails them want for it. Look at this. You see from afar, it look like I bite my fingernail, and that's where it is. But no, okay, look at it. That's what they look like. I have been picking them off because I don't want to soak them. It's acrylic, but they're really thin, so I can probably just file them off, to be honest. But I've just been like biting them off and flicking them off for whatever. So yeah, I had breakfast, just loaded fries. I'm going to take out some saltfish. Yeah, may I cook saltfish tonight? Yeah, may I do some saltfish. Oh my god, who is texting me? Instagram. I feel like I want to make some type of saltfish, not really rundown, but a little cook down. No, so no. One person of a bread. So yeah, I think I might do that for dinner. But once I finish editing this clip into the video, I'm going to export that, upload it, and in the meantime, while that is being done, I'm going to make our protein shake, because I'm serious about making my shake. I'm gonna make my shake, have that, and then I'm gonna do that saltfish. I don't know what I'm gonna eat it with yet. Probably do some boiled dumpling, to be honest. But yeah, that is all for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't think I did much of anything. I think the beginning of this vlog is the most interesting with the Maiden Cay trip. But yeah, thank you for sticking with me, and I hope this month is very festive. I hope you guys, I don't know, maybe follow my footsteps and start making your changes from this month, so you don't have to start make the changes in January. I know we're all going to have some type of New Year's resolution changes. Don't start in January, you have to start from December, so by the time January reaches, it's already a habit. You understand me? I say. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.